Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joe Kinahan, thinkorswim's Chief Derivative Strategist, with our market wrap-up for Wednesday, March 5th, 2009. And last couple of days I've been in Texas, but I'm back home. Alright, let's talk about today's market. Dow Jones Industrial Average closes up just over 41 points on the day today. The S&P 500 future closes up a little bit over $7 on the day. And the Vix down to 2460, just under the 25 mark. Alright, we talked time and time again on this show about the S&P levels and the Vix levels. We keep saying the 1333 on the S&P 500 that we need to close convincingly above, 25 on the Vix we need to close convincingly below in order for a rally to start. We are right at those numbers. It's going to be very interesting. Please keep your eye on Thursday's Vix and S&P numbers. It will be interesting to see what the market says is going to happen with unemployment. If you see the VIX really get hit tomorrow, I think what they're saying is unemployment number is going to be good. We're going to rally off it. VIX stays right here, or if VIX goes up on the day, I believe they're telling it's going to be a sign that Friday could be a little bit of a rougher day with unemployment. So I really think you need to watch those numbers tomorrow. Going to be very key for predicting the future. All right, let's look back at Wednesday's markets for right now. And on Wednesday, we had in the Dow Jones Industrial Average 17 advancers, 13 decliners. The market was kind of topsy-turvy, up most of the day, up early, up strong for a while. Then at about 3:30 Eastern, looked like we were going to sell off on the day. In fact, the futures and the Dow both went negative. In the last 20 minutes or so, we saw some stronger buying, putting the market over the top on the day, putting the futures up a good amount on the day, and the futures are up after the close also. So we will see what happens heading into Thursday morning, but that was a very interesting, a very strong close for the market. Now let's talk about our Sizzle Index and the Sizzler today, MNST. You know him as Monster Worldwide, the parent company of Monster.com. Been quite a bit of buyout chatter on Monster.com recently, and you're seeing that reflected very heavily in the March 30 calls, April 30 calls, and June 30 calls. Big volume in there today. And all those options, they were absolutely sizzling. So you can go right on our scan query page and just click on the Sizzle Index, and those things come up for you now. You don't even have to search for them anywhere. But that's a very interesting stock. Let's keep our eyes on that one over the next few days, see if any news comes out on Monster Worldwide. All right, I'm Joe Kinahan with today's market wrap-up. Again, if you need more information about us, thinkorswim.com. Thank you all very much. As always, good health, good trading.